Do one small bite at a time. Very good. It is almost winter outside, snow and cold. And last time when we were removing those brake lines, it was summer almost. Grass was green and we had a blue sky and sunshine, but now we have snow and we're under the roof in a shop. All right, time to get the brake lines replaced. Well, installation, but before we can install them, we need to make them pre-bend. And I already measured the length of the lines. Went to the local auto parts store and bought the new lines. As you can see, nice and straight, all metric. And we have 1, 2 in 1 pieces. Well, 2, 3, and that will be 4. We have a connector because couldn't get that long line. I want to have a connector here to make it longer. And if you didn't watch part number 1, how to remove the brake lines, please go and watch and give me a favor. Go and subscribe to the channel. It will only take you a few seconds, but it really helped me to grow my hobby YouTube channel. Alright, let's get started. Main thing, take your time, don't rush, and if you're doing it for the first time, I would recommend you to practice a bit on an old brake line, not that brake line you're using for sample, or you can find a wire from the welding wire, like thick enough to try it and go and bend it. You know, there's a million ways to do it, but for example, you need to make this type of line. What I do, I just put a line in a vise, like so. Good enough. Then there is a flare fittings. Make sure that won't be on the middle. Let's do this, and like an ideal world, you want to do everything right at the first place, then you don't need to do it again. All right, that's where we start. Get my camera a little bit set up better, then you can see. Permanent marker, that's good. You see how, and yeah, we'll show you. Okay, I usually make a line at the bend, and this means always facing up. Okay, see this dice and a hook, and this hook grabs the line, and on the middle of the dice it will start bending somewhere. Because we just started, we'll follow the orientation of the bend later. Grab it here and keep it straight and start bending. It will be very close. You might not be able to do it 100%, but it'll be close enough and it will fit. And then we'll do slight adjustment at the truck. Okay, see, as soon as it started, you can take it out, and yeah, there we go. Go slow, and as you can see, there's a perfect bend. Okay, now I said with going down, and I'll show you how I do it. I don't even use that paint marker much. I just place it. Don't try to disturb the shape of the original line, because we still need to follow. And I just go like this, grab it, keep it, make sure it's facing the same direction. Don't go too far. Try to do it slow. There we go. Better do less, and then you can get back a little bit. Okay, look, pretty much the same curve, and as you can see, it twists here a little bit. But what I do, see, I just go with my tool, and I know approximately, just visually looking, and I can bend a little bit, get close. See, now it looks better. Now I need to bend here. I just hold it like this. You know, practice makes everything perfect. More you do it, better you will get with it. Okay, a little bit more maybe. Let's see what we got. Okay, very close. Pretty close. Then we have this slide bend to the side. Don't try to bend it by hand because it will kink, and it will kind of not do any good for you. Okay, see here, and go up here, bend. So okay, a little bit more. Very good. Then we'll probably have a little bit extra. You can go slightly up on an angle and then come down, but I think it should be fine because this line is very close size. And yeah, let's do the bend here. Yeah, just take your time, practice, and yeah. Okay. Yeah, take it off. Something like that. Yeah. Small bite at a time. Check yourself. See, now we have to turn this way. Try to keep it close. This to saying close, I mean to stay close to the original bands as possible. That way you will be precise. Okay, you can do like 10-15%, just open it up, or if you need, but don't go too crazy. Try not to scratch the line when you bend. See, we're pretty good, or else it will rust. Okay, see, that's only line we made. How it looks like. Pretty simple, as you can see, but everything takes time and practice. Take your time. It's a good idea to learn something every single day. And here's the original line from our MAZDA 2600, and that's what we made. Thank you guys for watching, very appreciated, and next episode is coming very soon, and I'm going to share useful tips and tricks how to install brake lines, and this one which we made, and it's coming very soon. If you have any questions, please ask them down in the comment section below. Let me know if you have a MAZDA b2600, 2200, whatever you have, and see you soon. Take care, and yeah, bye now.